Today I'm going to show you a chemical reaction on color changing milk. The materials I need are 3 of the same size bowls, 3 Q-tips for different liquids, water, half a cup of skim milk, and half a cup of whole milk. I also need dish soap and food coloring. First, I need to get a half a cup of water and measure it so it's a half a cup. Pour it in my first bowl. I'm then going to dry it out so I don't mix my materials. I now need a half a cup of skim milk. And put it in my second bowl. I gotta rinse that out so I don't mix my materials. And I finally need a half a cup of whole milk. And put it in my third bowl. I then need to take my food coloring and put 3 drops in the middle of the liquid. Now I have to take my first Q-tip and put 1 drop of Dawn dish soap on it. And stick that right in the middle of where the food coloring is. I then need to take my second Q-tip and put 1 drop of dish soap on it. Stick that in the middle of the food coloring where the skim milk is. I finally need to take my third Q-tip and put 1 drop of dish soap on it. And put that in the middle of where the whole milk is. First, with the water, the food coloring sank under the water because the water is less dense than the food coloring. Liquids have surface tension, so when the soap was added, it took away the surface tension and the molecules didn't spread out much. In the second bowl of skim milk, the milk had some fat in it, which makes it more dense than the food coloring. Since there was surface tension in the milk, when the soap was added, it connected to the fat molecules and dissolved them and caused them to spread out some. The third bowl had whole milk, which had the highest fat in it. When the soap was added, it connected to the many fat molecules and caused it to spread out a lot and reduce the surface tension.